So I have an existing client that I work with for about 20 plus years. He's setting himself up for retirement shortly, and a part of his retirement package is he's going to have no life insurance. He currently has a whole life policy with us through MetLife for several years, and he had a term policy that expired years ago. A client had advised me, though, going forward, is that he's uninsurable. He's had some health issues, and he feels that he cannot pass the medical. I mentioned to him that there's a possibility that I might be able to get him guaranteed whole life insurance. So he said, how's that? How can we do that? So I said to him, you're the service manager for these 5 car dealers. Okay, you have a great relationship, I know, with the owners. It's a possibility that we might be able to bring in guaranteed whole life insurance and offer it to all the employees without any cost to the employer. He said, wow, that sounds really good. Let me speak to the owners, okay, and see if I could set up an appointment. I reached out to Beverly Wright in Group Benefits.
So Brendan said, hey Bev, I know we've been trying to work on some other businesses that we've been trying to put through. He says, but I so believe in this benefit, and one of my really good clients is uninsurable. He wants to retire soon. He wants additional coverage that we're not able to get. And I'm thinking, do you think this is a possibility? If he can, get us in to his, the owners of the car dealership, do you think this is a great opportunity? I'm like, how many people are there? There's 200. I said, Brendan, this is a perfect opportunity. All we need to do is just get in front of the owners, right? Those are the decision makers.
We rolled out the plan to the company.
They love the benefit. They couldn't have been any friendlier, any nicer. This particular client especially loves their employees and wants to do right by them. They hardly have any turnover. He goes, they love working here. He says, but they're so underinsured. And he goes, this is right up their alley. I'd really like to be able to provide this to them.
We had built up a trust with the employer. He loved Beverly's presentation, very impressed with her.
We had access to 200 employees. 50 employees enrolled, and then there were a few dependents that they enrolled as well. So when you think about Brendan going in, wanting to help his one client, what that opportunity looks like, and again, in Brendan's style, I will say, being so friendly, certainly everyone wanted to, talk with him and work with him. They listened to what their colleagues were doing, and certainly when one colleague enrolls and they talk, then the other colleagues say, I want a piece of that as well. So it was really successful. One
of the employees actually, after we put the plan in place, reached out to me. He had open heart surgery, and he said, Brendan, thank you very much for putting this plan in place here, because I would have never been able to get insurance.